So you're in the market for a professional softbox diffuser. It needs to be easy to carry, easy to work with, easy to store. Guess what? Stay tuned for the Lastolite Ezybox Softbox Diffuser Kit. So let's take a look and see what comes inside the packaging with the Lastolite 30-inch Ezybox Hotshoe Softbox Kit. This is the largest of their lineup. So notice how it comes with a beautiful carrying bag. So this allows you to take your equipment with you everywhere you go because, of course, that's the beauty of a Hotshoe softbox. It's portable. Now, another thing that they give you, which makes your life so much easier, is if you already have a light stand, and there's many of us that do, well, guess what? Now you can take it with you also because they give you a really nice padded with a shoulder strap carrying case for your light stand. That's really nice. And on top of that, let's say, for example, you are lucky enough to have an assistant. Well, guess what? They give you a hand bracket for your Hotshoe softbox. Now, of course, I would recommend having an assistant because this one being such a large fellow, I wouldn't suggest you trying to do both at the same time. But that's a nice feature from Lastolite. And next on the lineup, of course, is the speed ring. So this allows you to connect your flash to your softbox, all made of high impact plastic. So it's lightweight but durable. And again, remember, most Lastolite products come with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Speaking of, let's find the paperwork. Here it is. Here is the paperwork, which is the instructional pamphlet and also warranty information for your 30-inch Lastolite softbox diffuser. And remember, the warranty is in the US, and if it's purchased from an authorized dealer like Digital Goja. Here is your flash stand adapter, which is universal. So this is going to allow you to work with most of the light stands that are on the market. And of course, all the Hotshoe flashes that are available. Again, made out of high impact ABS plastic. This is durable, but yet lightweight. And here are the diffusion panels. You have 2 of them. You have the exterior one, which is allowing you to work with the front diffuser, and an interior baffle. So this way you can even add more diffusion to your SpeedLite softbox. Great that you can control it. And of course, now we're going to take the big guy out of here. And here it is. This is the 30-inch Lastolite softbox diffuser for your SpeedLite flash. And notice how they did some incredible craftsmanship in the interior. Very well constructed. Beautiful silver lining. This is going to allow you to get all the flash output possible from your SpeedLite, and with the additional diffusers, you're going to have the capability of controlling your light source to your liking. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to set up and how to work with this. It's fantastic for doing beautiful soft portraiture and group shots because remember, the bigger the softbox it is, the more diffused the light gets, the softer the light it's going to output. It comes with a front-facing diffuser and an interior baffle if you need even additional diffusion. Now, of course, it's fully lined in a silver reflective surface to give you that even, soft lighting. That way you're going to have the capability of controlling it depending on the shooting situation that you're with. It comes with a speed ring that allows you to attach the softbox easily to your favorite flash, and of course it comes with the Hotshoe flash adapter that has the standard connection for the most popular light stands out there. This version does not provide a light stand, but it does have a carrying bag for your convenience so you can take your favorite light stand with you. And this all folds down to a nice convenient size, which comes with a fantastic storage case so you can take it with you on the go. That's the beauty of the Ezybox system. It's meant to travel and allows you to shoot in any kind of environment. Well, I hope this video helped you out on how to make a decision on getting a Lastolite Ezybox Hotshoe diffuser. This one happens to be the 30-inch by 30-inch size. Remember, it's available in other configurations. Don't forget to hit us up with that like button underneath, and as always, subscribe to the channel so you have access to frequently asked questions, overviews, and unboxings. And if you're in the Miami area, come by and say hello at our digital Goja showrooms. Happy shooting.